Good afternoon, besties. Welcome to my vlog. So it's getting closer. By the way, we're back here in Maryland because we are moving our stuff up now. So my husband is on the phone with U-Haul. He's trying to get a quote from U-Haul or Pods, which one is like good for getting our stuff straight. But anyways, last night I did pull up an all-nighter last night. I already, some of my clothes is already packed and my purses is already, okay, let me show you guys. Purses are already packed. This half of the stuff here is just like my uniform, which is I'm also gonna pack because I am not working. My last day was last week, and this week, I'm sorry, this week. So I think I'm just gonna put this on one of my boxes, and I kind of like left some of my bags here, and because I might need them. Some of them I still have my Alma baby here, and some of my other bags. So but most of the bags are already packed last night, and I'm going through. So these clothes that I kind of like kept aside, I am kind of like putting it in my car because we're gonna be driving to Georgia, I think, or Savannah. We're gonna have a pit stop at Savannah, and if we're gonna go with Pods, then it'll take like 8 weeks for our stuff to be delivered. So I was like wondering if I keep some clothes, so I have like, you know, something to wear. And I still have some stuff here, and all of my jeans and some shorts are already gone, and I need to get my trousers. I still have one of these boxes or sheets and some other. My last vlog or my last video was while I was doing the empty house tour, and that was like last month of the 30th. Yeah, and now it's what is today? Today is the 11th, which is 11 days later. I've been trying to really create videos, but it's so hard that we are moving, and I already pack up my makeup, by the way, and all my makeup organizer, all of this stuff is packed. So I'm not gonna be doing any like sit down videos. I do want to film the unboxing from Prada, and I have to show you guys the stuff that I got from PR, which is in the other room, but it's like very cluttered here. I'm like so stressed. Like I don't know how I'm gonna like do those like unboxing, maybe like downstairs in the kitchen. And if you guys don't notice, I went to get my hair done. When was this? I think that was last week, I think. Yeah, last week. So I went back to black because the blonde for over a year, it's just like, you know, I've had a good time with the blonde, but I kind of like want my hair to be black again, and I'm not planning on dyeing it in like maybe 3 to 4 years from now. But right now I'm like really happy that I'm back to blonde. I just kind of put it up because I'm like moving, I'm packing. But anyway, besties, I'm gonna update you guys, and once he's done with his phone call, I'm gonna go there and show you guys like the mess. I want to show you guys like the mess, because like this is real life. Like this is kind of like where I'm living right now. Our living situation right now, it's just too much cluttered. But I'm working on my shoes now. I think I'm gonna bring some shoes with me if we're gonna stop by at Savannah. So yeah, I think I'm gonna bring some shoes and then slowly park them. I'm gonna put my boxes here so you guys can see. All right, this is what I'm working right now. Is I have, my husband got me these pink containers. There are like 3 of them. I still have 2 downstairs. I think, no, might be 6. He might ordered 6, and he got me a pink one. And I also got this like one of the Amazon boxes that we kind of like kept because we know that we're moving. So I'm gonna put my shoes here. I think this might be kind of like enough for my shoes, and some of my shoes is already the one that I haven't been wearing lately is already in the box together with my other stuff. Okay, why is it blurry? And this is gonna be my clothes right here because I don't have any bigger box anyway. So I'm gonna put my clothing here and shoes here. All right, we made some progress, but some of the shoes, thinking of like putting it in my luggage because I'm gonna put my luggage in my car so I can like have some of my clothes and my shoes as well. And I think I'm putting my Air Force here because I haven't been really wearing them. I have been wearing these two back and forth, which is the Converse and my this one right here, Reebok. And this is really easy, like the slip-ons. I kind of just like keep this because they're like really easy. So I think I might just bring that as well to like in my car. And if like we're ever gonna be going out, hopefully this week, because I have to see my friends and say goodbye, then I'm gonna keep these shoes right here. And I'm also gonna wear them like if we're in Savannah, and you know, if we're gonna go somewhere pit stop at Savannah. But yes, these are the shoes that I'm keeping for now. And all my heels are here, like my kitten heels from Zara. This was like a year or two ago. This product that I got, this one from Tory Burch. This was given to me by my friend Clarice, and all the other stuff that I thrifted as well. And I got my other platform from Zara, so here. So yeah, I think this box is kind of like perfect, and I'm just gonna put like some bubble wrap so it won't like go anywhere. So yeah, besties, I forgot to mention that I got this like boots. This was like before the Black Friday. I think it was like the week of Black Friday at the thrift store. Look what I got. Look at this freaking cowboy boots. I have been dying and I've been wanting to have a cowboy boots because everybody and their mother have their own boots, and I don't really want to splurge on like a brand new cowboy boot. So I kind of like I was like very patient at it while we were in New York. I was like, maybe I can find one there, but I didn't really find any. And then at my local thrift store, look what I got. And guess how much I paid for this? I paid $2 for this. And are you kidding me? And this is like 9 West as well. And look at this cute detail, heart and butterflies. I'm so obsessed. Like, I cannot wait to wear this in Florida. I'm just I cannot wait. So forgot about that because it was like under my bed. And I still have these two Doc Martens, which is the my Jaden boots. I think I'm gonna keep them in a box because I don't want to like not put it in put it here without their box, because I just want to keep them as is. So I think if I have space here, I might just put their box in here. I don't know, I don't think I have space, but oh well. So yeah, my regular 1461 and my boots, and I think I'm gonna put I still have my running shoes that I have to put here. I do have a lot, quite a lot. I mean, I already gave so much shoes to my friends and family, and I still have like quite like a lot for one person. But anyways, I'm gonna put these I'm gonna try to put my running shoes here and my boots here. I think I'm gonna put some stuff in here. I don't know. Before I forgot, I want to show you guys what I got from Djerf Avenue. This was like a week and a half now. Yeah, I received this a week and a half now, and I ordered some of the new stuff, and I'm excited to show you guys. But here, so I finally got their jeans. They just released this jeans. They have the regular one and they have the tall ones. Of course I got the regular one because I'm way too short. And look at this little details in the back pocket. It's so cute. It says Djerf Avenue with like a little heart. I already tried this on. It's a little kind of how do you call this, big on me. I should have got the 31 instead of 32. I was just trying to like play it safe, on the safe side, because I really hate returns. So I think what I'm gonna do is just hem it. I'm gonna take, I have like a lot of like pants and trousers that needs to be hem, and I think when we're settled down to Florida, I think I'm gonna try to find a store where I can like send this and hem it. And I also wore this the other day, which is their essential white t-shirt. Just the regular t-shirt right here from Djerf Avenue. I just washed these, but yeah, there's like their logo over there, so cute. And I also got their I think this is one of their tank tops. I got the white one, which is I really love, and I got the black one, one of like those, like, you know, must shirt on your closet. All right, so this one is done. I put some of my jeans here, the brand new stuff here, like the dogs, 2 of the dogs here, and my Louis Vuitton bags are here, so it's like nice. It's not like they're gonna all crumbled up. But yeah, I have like trousers here and some, like I said, brand new stuff here. And I think I'm gonna get more of these downstairs since this is good. I don't want to like overly like pack it. So it's already 10:45, which is almost 11 o'clock, and I didn't vlog a lot of clips today because I'm just busy packing. I already pack our food downstairs in the basement, and look at the situation right now. I'm like, my head is like hurting. So this tomorrow we need to put it downstairs so we can put that in our storage. I already put my ring light here, and I took down one of my studio light and put it here. I need to find I think I'm gonna use this for my bulbs, and I'll just put like a bubble wrap, and then I want to show you guys some PR packages as well later. But yes, this is like the whole situation right now. So, and I'm also gonna do an unboxing from our place. Mind you, I received this package like almost 3 weeks now, and I'm just now unboxing it. But yeah, this is our place. I want to show you guys this so I can like put this downstairs. But this is the always pan. It says welcome to our place, and oh my god, they are non-toxic, you guys, and they are ceramic. I think I'm gonna leave the link on this pan on my description bar below if you guys are interested in checking them out. But I cannot wait to cook on this in my new house. I'm excited. Okay, hold on. It's so hard to unbox this in like one hand. I'll like try to show you guys. Oh, okay, so it comes with this bamboo steer thingy. Cool. And then it has a, wait a minute, oh my god, so I can like steam some dumplings here in this like steam basket. That is so cool. I'm gonna plan on steaming some dumplings here, and you can also steam vegetables. And what else you can do in here? It says, yeah, nesting steamer basket for dumplings, like I said, veggies and more, which is really good. Oh my god. And this is the pan. Oh my god, you guys, look at this. I am so excited. I'm so excited. So I believe this like little tiny hole, because I've seen this pan on Instagram like a lot, and a lot of people have been raving this brand, Kitchenware brand, on Instagram. So I'm like really excited to, you know, try this out in our new house, which is so cool. But anyways, like I said, if you guys are interested in this one, I will leave the link on my description bar below. So this is what it looks like. I cannot, you guys, I cannot wait to cook food in here. It's very cute, and it's so aesthetically pleasing to just look at it. Besties, look what I got. I finally caved in, and I got some hand soap. I know they're very expensive, but I want to kind of like spoil myself, especially in our new house. So I already have 2 extra soap, hand soap from Molten Brown, I believe. I showed that to you guys on previous vlog. But anyways, one of these are like has like exfoliating, and one is just like the regular one, and they're like $29. They're very expensive for a hand soap, and I was expecting to be like glass, but surprisingly they are plastic. So that was kind of a bummer. I really want it to be a glass, but it's fine.